Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit the superhero fighting in Capcut. So if you want to have a superhero fighting editing video in Capcut, this is how you can do it. First, you can just prepare the video of you, for example, fighting like this. And after that, you can edit into Capcut, and here go to where you start the actions. For example, I'm going to go in here and then go to overlay, add overlay, and then add the visual effect. For example, like this one's right here when you start to attack. And here go to splice and then choose lighten. Let's see if the position is right. Okay, so you can just always edit the position. I'm going to go in here and let's see. Okay, so that's quite right. And then go to where the visual effects start, and then here go back, click on effects, video effects, find the shake effect, and then add it into the clip. Adjust the intensity to only around 20. Click on a check icon and let's see the result. Okay, so that is it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.